Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys a quick way you can earn Ethereum on Binance. Binance is currently running a promo where you can earn free Ethereum. So without wasting much of our time, let me quickly just show you guys how you can apply for that and earn your own lot of that Ethereum. So once you are logged into your Binance account, this is my profile. I just applied for this not quite long ago. So this is it. Binance Auto Invest for 5 months. So this is it. This is what you should be looking out for. Yeah. On these sliders, you just keep on sliding until you find it. This Binance Learn and Earn Auto Invest free earn free Ethereum for 5 months. So this is it. When you click on it, it's going to open up this page. So this page gives you what you need to know about this promotion. So currently the promo has been running for some days now, so we have just about 11 days before. In these 11 days, I think you can do a lot, and once you have been approved, once you have registered for the promotion, it doesn't really matter. You just start receiving your Ethereum monthly. So the Ethereum is being shared on a monthly basis, and what you need to do is just to take a course and just complete the quiz, and that is all. The whole step is here. This is it. So you click on, you learn on this, and I think basically all instruction is here and all terms and conditions. So just please do well to read through all this. Once you are done, you just click on start quiz, and this is taking much time. So once you click on start quiz, okay, it shows that I've already completed this survey. But for you that have not taken the quiz before, it's going to show you the information. It's just 4 questions, 4 simple questions, and let me show you the answers. So when I click on it, it responds. Let me see. Okay, wow, perfect. So these are the questions, and the answers to number one, the answer is D. To number two, the answer is B. To number three, the answer is B. And okay, sorry, to number two, the answer is A. And to number three, the answer is C. To number four, the answer is C. The last one, yearly. So this is correct, this is correct, this is correct. Let me see if I can submit again. So you see, these are the correct answers to the survey. It's just making, and I think that is all. Once you have selected all these and you have submitted to the survey, every month Binance is going to give you your own slot of, let me say, your own percent, whatever you call it, but you get your own amount of Ethereum deposited into your auto invest platform monthly for a period of 5 months. And after that, I think you can now withdraw the benefits and everything that is attached to it. So that is all about these updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel to keep receiving more updates like this, and also share this video with your friends. Thank you, and do have a good day.